Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope you all are very good. So today I am going to start chapter number 1 in computer and it's time to do bookwork. आज हम bookwork करने वाले हैं chapter number 1 computer basics. So now first of all we have to complete filling the blanks with the help of the help box. ये help box है. Here are some options: output, input, IPO, users, decisions and process. First of all, open your book of Connect to the Computer World, okay, and get ready with your pencil and with your book. First is computer works according to the dash cycle. It's IPO cycle. IPO cycle. The full form of IPO cycle is input, process, output cycle. Computer is a machine that helps us to store, retrieve and dash data. It's process data. Next one is anything, data or commands that you enter into a computer is called an, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Input. जो कुछ भी हम एंटर करते हैं डेटा और कमांड्स को अपने कंप्यूटर में, that is called input. A computer takes in inputs and give outs. वो जितने भी डेटा और कमांड्स होते हैं उनको इनपुट करता है और वो गिव आउट क्या करता है? आउटपुट्स, रिजल्ट ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग. दिस ऑप्शन, ओके. People who give inputs and commands to the computer are called people. लोग जो inputs देते हैं कंप्यूटर को, they are called users. उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Users. The answer is users. Man can take his own dash but a computer cannot. It means humans can take his own decisions. हम अपना decisions ले सकते हैं but computer decisions नहीं लेते. Now next, turn page number 8. Worksheet number 2. Now look at the pictures and mark the steps as input, process or output. Here are some pictures. Now you have to write which one is input, which one is processing and which one is output. So first of all here are vegetables. यहाँ पर कुछ vegetables हैं. यहाँ पर cut हो रही है, chop हो रही है और यहाँ पर chopping complete हो गई है. So input and this is process or processing the work, and now this is output. Now number 2 is juice, fruits and juicer. So here are, first of all we will take input, then process and at last we will find output. Shirt, cloth and tailor. So first of all we will take cloth, then process the work, and then we will get output. Now number 3 is worksheet number 3, tick the correct answer. Here are 2 options, you have to tick the right answer. A dash computer is big and heavy and cannot be easily moved from one place to another. It's desktop or laptop? No, desktop is the right answer. लैपटॉप को तो हम कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हैं. नंबर 2 इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन थिंक ऑन इट्स ओन एंड ऑल्सो टेक डिसीजंस. कंप्यूटर और मैन? कंप्यूटर कैन थिंक? नो, मैन कैन थिंक ऑन इट्स ओन एंड ऑल्सो टेक डिसीजंस. सो मैन इज राइट, कंप्यूटर इज रॉन्ग. Which of the following has a larger memory? It's man or computer? Computer has a larger memory. Dash are slow because the storage capacity of man is limited, but the storage of capacity of computer is huge. Next is dash are slow in working and doing calculations. It's humans or computers. So humans are slow in working and doing calculations. The work done from converting an input into output is called processing or manipulating. So the answer is processing. Next, worksheet number 4 is match the following correctly by drawing lines. Input. So here are options: results of processing, command the computer to process data, and data and instructions, work done by the computer, can be used both as tablets and laptops, and machines that processes, stores and retrieves that data. Input, it means data and instructions. Processing. So processing, it means work done by the computer. Output, result of processing. Computer, what is computer? A machine that processes, stores and retrieves data. Instructions, command the computer to process data. Convertibles, it means can be used both as tablets and laptops. That's it. Now worksheet number 5. Okay, now I think the time is over. Okay, so do you want to complete the answers of these questions? Now let's continue. Okay, what is a computer? What is a computer? So the answer is a computer is an electronic machine used to store retrieve and process data. Number 2 is what is meant by the terms inputs and outputs. So, inputs means the data and commands that we enter into the computer. जो हम कंप्यूटर में एंटर करते हैं. And output means the final result given after processing of inputs. Number 3 is what is meant by processing. Processing का क्या मतलब है? So processing means the work that the computer does on the inputs. Next is write any 2 ways in which a computer is better than human beings. हमें 2 things बतानी है जिसमें ये बताया जाए कंप्यूटर ज़्यादा बेटर है, कंप्यूटर इज़ बेटर देन ह्यूमन बींग्स, इंसान से ज़्यादा बेटर है. सो there are so many points, but here are 2. Number 1 is a computer is 100% accurate machine and but man can make mistakes. Number 2 is a computer never gets tired. कंप्यूटर कभी थकता नहीं है और बोर भी नहीं होता है. A computer never gets tired or bored but man get tired or humans man or human can or get tired and so here we have to write humans. So humans get tired or bored and bored easily. Okay, a computer is a 100% accurate machine. Humans or man can make mistakes. Here is, you have to write humans. Okay, a computer never gets tired or bored. Humans get tired and bored easily. Next is, how is a laptop computer different from a desktop computer? So first of all, draw a line, the center. Laptop is small in size. Laptop is small in size. It can fit in our lap. Desktop computer is big in size. Second is, laptop can be easily carried easily from one place to another. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह में बहुत इजीली हम उसको लेके जा सकते हैं. बट डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर, it can't be easily moved from one place to another. Okay. Now next is, let's play. It's activity time. Read the clues and complete the crossword. यहाँ पे हम play करेंगे, कुछ options हैं, मैम आपको बताएंगी and then you have to answer it. Okay. First clue is laptops that can also be converted into tablets. It's hybrid computer. Number 2 is data and instructions entered into the computer. Down, it means we have to go up and then down. That data and instructions enter into the computer, it's input. जैसे मैम ने आपको पहले भी बताया, इनपुट में हम डेटा और अपनी इंफॉर्मेशंस को, इंस्ट्रक्शंस को हम एंटर करते हैं. द फाइनल रिजल्ट्स ऑफ प्रोसेसिंग, प्रोसेसिंग का फाइनल रिजल्ट हमें मिलता है आउटपुट. इट्स कॉल्ड आउटपुट. अ स्मॉल कंप्यूटर विथ टच स्क्रीन इंटरफेस, इट्स डाउन. सो नंबर 4 is tablet. Number 5 is a computer small enough to fit in your lap. So it's laptop. Number 6 is a machine that processes data. Go up and then down. It's computer. Computer is a machine. That's it. Okay. Now you have to complete that book work in your book. आपको अपनी book में complete करना है. You have to write the answers in your book. And now I will be sending you the assignment and you have to complete the assignment at your home. And make sure कि आप घर पर learn भी करेंगे. So now it's time to leave, but ma'am will come back very soon with another chapter, chapter number 2, computer hardware. So take care and goodbye. Happy watching and keep watching.